Sa lahat ng parte ng wedding preparation natin, dito yata ako pinaka nahirapan, sa vows. Kasi ito lang ang parte na hindi mo ako pwede tulungan.
Aldri, get ready.
I'm gonna love you till the day I die.
Itinuturo nito sa inyo na ang pagmamahal ay isang desisyon. No, hindi lamang ito isang pakiramdam because feelings come and go. But decision is something you make even if you don't feel like. No, doon pumapasok yung salitang commitment.
You have to go away. Now the skies are gray.
Mary, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Aldri na naririto ngayon alinsunod sa batas at mga alituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Yes, Father.
Tingin sa mata.
Yes, Father.
When you touch me, yeah, I feel butterfly. I'm gonna love you till the day I die. When you call me like a knife. You don't know it when you say oh.
What we have is something that grew quietly, slowly, and beautifully. The kind of love that took its time to find its way. It was in the ordinary days that love quietly settled in our conversations, in shared laughter, in moments of silence.
Years after this day, kapag maputi na ang buhok nyo, no, ay masabi ninyo sa isa't isa, I have loved the life that we made through the years.
Ito, walang ChatGPT. Galing sa puso ko. Salamat dahil naniniwala ka sa visions ko. Yun yung baon ko everyday. Ginagalingan ko dahil sa'yo. Alam ko may naniniwala sa akin. Kahit isang tao.
Thank you, AJ. Parang naluluwa na ako. I love you. Well, yan lang ang tatandaan natin.
Naisip ko kung dumating yung panahon na maging successful ako. Sure ako dahil yun nasa tabi kita.
Thank you for loving me in the most genuine way, without pressure, without perfection, without rush. Thank you for choosing me.
And if you believe there's not a chance,
Our story may not have started with fireworks, but it burns with a warmth that never fades. And that to me is far more beautiful. I love you, Algie, quietly, deeply, endlessly.